Welcome back to Mustache Moto. It's Ben. We just finished changing the oil on the R1250 GSA, so now we got to reset the service reminder. There's a couple of ways you can do this. I use the OBD LX, OBD LinkLX. It's an OBD2 plug-in. I think it's 65, 70 bucks, something like that. I'll put a link below, along with the MotoScan app. This app is, I think for the service level I need it is about 30 or 40 bucks. Like I said, I'll post it below. Much cheaper than buying the GS911. That might be able to do a few more things for you, but really this has done everything I need. One downside on the MotoScan app is it only runs on Android. I'm an iPhone guy, so I just went on Facebook and asked my friends. I said, hey, who's got an old Android they don't need? Got this one for free. It just stays in the shop or on the bike, so I can service the bike with it. So let's jump right in and get this done. Okay, first things first, we need to pull the cover here. Torx driver, take that out. Pops out. Your OBD reader is right here.
All right, here's your sensor right next to your battery. And there's the clip right here that has to go up and away. Try and push that with one hand. And then the sensor lifts up. There you go.
All right, we got this out. And then we just need to pop these in, squeeze them, and pull the cover off. There we go. On goes the scan tool. Power's on. Bluetooth. Turn the power on your bike. Okay, MotoScan. Go to R series. Find our bike, R1250 GS Adventure. We're going to go to instrument cluster. See. And we're going to go to reset, service reset. And current motorcycle date, that's correct. Service reminder, we're going to reset it. Now it's set for kilometers, so you want 10,000 kilometers, which will be 6,000 miles. Date is set. All right, we're done. Turn it off. Unplug. Put it back together. All right, this slides in right here. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. I may not be able to. There we go. Done. Done.